Which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? In the indigenous intercropping system, known as the Three Sisters, maize, squash, and beans form an blank web of relations. Maize provides the structure on which the bean vines grow. The squash vines cover the soil, discouraging competition from weeds, and the beans aid their two sisters by enriching the soil with essential nitrogen. So, option choice A says indecipherable. This is incorrect because indecipherable means impossible to understand, but in this case, the text clearly indicates why the three sisters are grown in this fashion and why they're well together. So it's not impossible to understand if the text highlights how it is understood or explained this system. Therefore, A must be incorrect. B. Ornamental. This is incorrect because ornamental would imply that the web of relations is decorative, not very practical, but the text clearly highlights how this is not true, where it provides the practical advantages of planting in this manner, where the maize provides structure on which the bean vines grow, the squash covers the soil to discourage competition from weeds, and the beans aid their two sisters by adding essential nitrogen into the soil. So this is very practical and not very ornamental at all. Therefore, B can also be eliminated. C. Obscure. This is incorrect because obscure is similar to indecipherable, where obscure means unknown, but the text clearly highlights how this relationship is not unknown, so C can also be eliminated. D. Intricate. This seems to be the correct answer because intricate means complex, and from the text we can see how the relation is rather complex, with the maize provides structure for the beans vines to grow, the squash discourages competition from weeds, and the beans aid the two sisters by adding essential nitrogen, which is a rather complex relationship, and therefore intricate would fit this, would serve as an appropriate adjective. Therefore, D is the correct answer.